and then there are other parts of it where the boys would be able to float with the help of the Navy divers, or at least be able to keep their heads above water. But there's still those sections where they need to dive, Andrea. That's really causing a lot of concern.
And just briefly, how long would it take the to actually drill another entryway, an exit, if you will?
After 800 feet, turn right, northeast 128th way.
There have been hundreds of people walking in the hills and the forests around here. There have been helicopters that have brought in. They've been using drones. They've been trying to evaluate the landscape to see if there's anywhere that presents an opportunity, a crack, and access to a chimney, a place where they could drill, somewhere where they might be able to drop ropes and pull the boys out. This, in the opinion of a lot of the divers I've talked to over the last several days, would be the safest option. It's not, at this point, the most realistic. It's not the easiest, but it would be the safest to bring the kids out, because they would be surrounded by air and